Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Precious here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing a typical profitable trading day in my life. So I'm just waking up from sleep, and you guys know the first thing I do is to pray to God and study my Bible. And the next thing now is to send signals to some stubborn set of people that will not take no for an answer. I told these people I have free signals group, but they want me sending them signals daily, which I've been doing so far so good. And it has been helping me build and improve my trading skills so far. So I'm not complaining. They really love to take me out of my comfort zone, you guys, which is nice. I have a lot of things to do today, but right now I am monitoring the signals I sent out, answering questions, and also checking assignments I gave the last class. And I am also monitoring my own trades. I am in this long position on gold, and at the end of this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my analysis, and I'm going to be showing you guys the setup. So this is how the trade is going. Some of you have been leaving comments on some of my videos and you want to learn how to trade, and that is why I have set up a mentorship program for you all. In case you're interested, you can always reach out to me on Telegram and then we can get started. This is really good, by the way. So you guys, I want you to answer me correctly in your mind now. You know, everybody makes money. Everybody makes money, except infants. Yes, except that they are still infants. Well, we have less population of rich/wealthy people in the society, and we have a larger population of poor people who are still struggling financially in the society. Now, this is where money retainment comes in. I know you want to trade. I know you have been making a lot of money from trading, from your businesses, from your work and everything. But the most important thing when you start making money is to develop your mind on how to build wealth, on how to retain money. You can't build wealth without retaining money, which is extremely important. I could tell you that retaining money is more important than making money, because what's the essence of making money that you cannot retain? It's the same thing as what's the essence of having farmland that you're not farming on? Financial stewardship is very, very important. When I say financial stewardship, I'm talking about building a system that protects your finances. You know, I know budgeting is coming into your mind, but no, I'm talking about stewardship. Stewardship is you building strategy that helps you protect your money, that helps you gain total control over your finances. So any money that comes in, regardless of the amount, you must recognize the capital in that money. Even though if it's $100 or $20 or $10, you must recognize the capital in that money. And when I say capital, I'm not saying you should just have the mindset of, okay, capital, I'm starting like a huge business or something. Capital, I'm talking about you investing that little percentage of that money in yourself. It could be you registering for course online to improve your personal development, or trying to grow something you believe in, your goals. You have goals, rather than just wasting it like that. Because some of us now, when money comes in, what comes to our head is on, okay, I want to buy something, something that is not adding to our future growth. Always recognize the capital in any money, each money that comes to your hand. Always recognize the capital. And also, my friend was telling me about abundance mindset. And I've come to realize that scarcity mindset is the opposite of abundance mindset. Abundance mindset to focus on the strength of what you can do, while the scarcity mindset focus on what is not there. Let me just give an example. The scarcity mindset focus on the weaknesses you have. Just focus on the weaknesses. For example, now you can't sing. You could be like, I wish I can sing. If I can sing now, I'll be making millions of dollars, but I can't sing. So you're sad and you're limiting yourself because you can't sing. Whereas you have analytical brain that can learn anything. That's the blessing you have there. You can literally learn any high income skill, high demand skills, and make money for yourself. So don't limit yourself. Always focus on the strength of what you can do. Yes, you have weaknesses, room for improvement, but things that you can't, things that are just, you just naturally born with some things, but things that you cannot really improve on, like most people are just gifted with singing, so they refine their voice and they tone it and they are good. But if you know you are not, for example, don't waste your time on your weaknesses. Do not, just focus on the strength and what you can do and what you can improve on, and keep moving on. I just feel like sharing this with you guys today because I'm just happy for this community. I'm just happy for the growth so far on YouTube, and I'm just happy for my personal growth as well. And I just want to share this with you guys. I need to explain this setup at the end of this video, and that is what I'm doing now. This is on imbalance, impulsive movement of price downward. So this created this imbalance here, and then price came down. This is 30-minute time frame. Let's go to 1 hour. So price came down. This is my break or structure upward here. Price came down from here and tapped my order block here. So this is my order block here. So I took my order block from here because this is my external break or structure here. This is my order block here. So price literally came down here to mitigate this low here. That is why I took my order block from here. Because you can see here, price went down and created this break or structure to the downside here. You know, this is an external break or structure to the downside. Then price went up to fill this imbalance here created by movement of price downward, and exactly same thing happened here. Price moved a lot faster than here. Now price came here, tapped my order block, and price went up again to correct this imbalance into market here. So I'm expecting price to tap this high here, and then because I'm targeting this high here, that is why my take profit is here. So when price tap this high here, then I will be out of this trade because that is my take profit. I got this on forecast about gold. Like gold might reach 3,500 this year by the end of this year or something, which is good. So let's just watch and see how it goes. So guys, when I was taking this trade, I omitted something extremely important. I omitted the recent break of structure downward, and then we have a bearish order block. So I was supposed to put my TP where my bearish order block is, so that price will go there, tap my TP as well as tapping my bearish order block, and then reverse downward. So I took partials when I figured out, oh, that is what market was reacting to because market was dropping. So I was able to take partial profit. So it's still a profitable trading day so far. So good. So thank you for watching to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.